That's right, Mark. You want to see two guys with really nice skin? Well, let me introduce you to a couple of doctors from the Vail Skin Institute. We have Dr. Darrell Rigel and Dr. Aaron Farberg. Guys, thanks for coming in today.
Thank you.
Dr. Darrell, you split your time between New York City and Vail, and you're a professor at NYU.
Yes, I am.
So how long have you been working in the skincare industry?
Well, I probably about over 30 years working on primarily on sun protection.
On sun protection, which is huge, and that's what we've been talking about all morning because we're expecting some really sunny days coming our way. Now, Aaron, you're kind of working under Dr. Rigel, so how's that going?
Yes, I'm working as Dr. Rigel's fellow this year, and we'll be starting dermatology residency in July at Mount Sinai. I previously did a residency in plastic surgery. I'm now converting over.
Good for you. That's great. And you guys have fabulous skin, so you must wear SPF 50 or plus all the time.
At least.
And is that what you suggest for everybody?
Up here, it's so important to protect yourself. We want everybody up here to have a great time. You don't want a sunburn to ruin your vacation or ruin your time skiing.
And it really does ruin your time, and it ruins your look too, because you have to like put on a lot of makeup or recover from it. You guys are doing a study coming up on Monday, so what's this all about?
Well, as we know, it's really important to protect yourself, as you know, and you got to protect yourself from that intense sun, not only coming directly, but reflecting at you. So we're actually going to be testing two sunscreens. They're readily available. You can actually go get them in the, any of the places here in town. But we're going to compare two of them, one on the right side of the face, one on the left side of the face. And we just need people to come in the morning. You get your picture taken, and basically you go out and ski for the day. You come back the next day, get your picture taken again, and the good part about it is you get paid $200 to do that for the day.
I know, this is like, you're going to have a lot of locals waking up. They're all waking up right now. Wait, did they say $200 to ski all day and that's all we have to do? So Aaron, you're going to apply one of the sunscreens on the right side of someone's face and then on the left side of someone's face. What kind of results are you expecting to find?
It's true. It really is the easiest $200. And to qualify for this study, you have to come in on Monday at Larkspur, starting between 7:30 and 10 o'clock. First 200 that qualify are there, so you want to get there early. You cannot be sunburned, so that's one of the qualifications. We're hoping to see that this sunscreen, since both are high SPF, won't leave any sunburn when you come back on Tuesday. Okay,
so how come you have to come back on Tuesday?
That's because we want to take your picture to compare the picture from Monday, the picture from Tuesday, and then we want to come back also to get your $200 too.
Yeah, okay. You get paid at the end of the deal.
You get paid at the end, yeah.
Do sunburns take like 24 hours to show up on your face, or is there a certain amount of time?
Yeah, pretty much. Usually windburn might show up in the afternoon, but sunburn is really to the next morning to really tell if you're burned, if there's anything with it. And hopefully you won't. These are both high SPF sunscreens. We're not testing anything experimental or anything. It's two that are available, just comparing one side of your face to the other side of your face to do it.
So if you're not testing anything for an experiment, we're not going to end up with like one side of a red face and this and that. Why are you doing this testing?
We're just trying to see the effects of high SPF sunscreens at altitude.
Okay.
And that's what the study's about. And we've done these studies over the years before here in Vail too. This is just a little bigger one. But again, it's only the first 200 people that come, so that's the key.
Are you expecting a lot of people?
Yeah, we think there will be.
Okay, this usually happens with a lot of people.
Yep.
Now, Aaron, with the sunshine out there coming, we're 2 miles in the sky right now, and we have the reflection from the snow. What does that do to your skin?
Exactly. So that's what most people don't recognize being here in the mountains, that because of the elevation and because of all the reflectance, you're getting more sun here than you are in the islands at this time. And so with the UV rays, not only is it a risk for for skin cancer, but you also worry about aging as well.
Okay, and I guess you have a video here that's going to show us a little bit about what we're going to be doing on Monday.
Well, just a little video of sun, just people skiing in the sun. So
that looks so marvelous.
It's what all the participants are going to be doing.
That's what they're going to be doing. But this is just, as I said, it's just real easy. You just come in. We'll have coffee in Danish for people at Larkspur while they're waiting. Just fill out the paperwork, get your picture taken. Get the sunscreen, go out and ski, come back the next morning, get your picture taken. That's it.
And you have to be 18 years or older to participate.
18 or older, not pregnant if you're a female, not sunburned before you start, and be able to ski during the day or be outside during the whole day and be able to come back the next day.
Is there a certain amount of hours that you have to be outside on Monday?
We'd like you to be out as much as you can, but the sun will be strong enough. Hopefully, we're hoping for 4 more hours. Well, the weather's supposed to be gorgeous on Monday, so we're counting on it.
We love the gorgeous weather, and you guys are telling us an SPF of 50 or higher, reapply it a couple of times. But if you want to earn $200 and not get a sunburn, you can do that coming up on Monday. So on Monday, head on over to Larkspur Restaurant. It's located at Golden Peak in Vail. Be there at 7:30 so you can be one of the first first 200 to actually register. And then you get to ski Vail all day. Like, really, that sounds like a pretty decent Monday. Guys, thanks for coming in. We'll see you tomorrow, too. We'll be talking to them more tomorrow. It's Vail Skin Institute that's putting on the study, and you can do it on Monday morning starting at 7:30. Is there going to be sunshine on Monday? We're going to let you know that 5-day forecast coming up here in a few.